Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've been having an amazing week. Today we're going to be touring a fantastic home in Destin, Florida. And if you're not sure where Destin is, it's in the Florida Panhandle in Northwest Florida. Now, if you've been enjoying these videos, please be sure to give us a thumbs up. And as always, I really appreciate you taking the time each and every week to watch them, to join me. Okay, with that being said, let's get into the tour. Before we jump into the home tour, I want to show you real quick where Indian Bayou is located in Destin. So it's really in the central part of Destin. The things that I like the most about Indian Bayou is its proximity to shopping, and you do not have to get on US Highway 98. So you have Walmart right here, Dick's Sporting Goods, Bell's, you've got some restaurants, and you can access them from Indian Bayou Trail right here. The dog park is located right here, and then you've got quick and easy access to the beach, and you can take your golf cart to the beach from Indian Bayou. Okay, let's get into the home tour. View of the front of the house, and I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera around so you can get a good idea of Indian Bayou Drive, and you can see some of the other homes in the subdivision. A lot of these homes are custom. Well, all of them are custom actually. Indian Bayou was the original golf course community in Destin. These homes, what I really like about this subdivision is that most of these homes are over a third of an acre. So if you're looking for a big lot, lots of elbow room, Indian Bayou can certainly foot that bill. And it's in Okaloosa County. Destin is in Okaloosa County, known for A+ rated schools. So a lot of these homes, like I said, were built from the mid-70s, and there are a few new construction homes left. So the main Indian Bayou is almost built out, but they do have Indian Bayou West coming out of the ground with 86 new home sites. So let's get to talking about this home. So it's got really nice stucco exterior. You have the architectural shingle roof there. I like how you have a really nice entrance here. It's very grand, it's beautiful. And then the landscaping, the grass is in great shape. And then you've got the pavers there, which make it a whole lot easier to maintain the house. Let's take a look on the inside here. Oh, the air conditioner feels good. It's about 90, but the humidity is down today, so it's really, really pretty. So I'm going to pan real quickly here. So you can see this nice open floor plan is really great if you're entertaining. And so it's very easy to talk, you know, with big groups of people. So I'm going to start, we're going to go to the right for today. This is a nice open office area. If you needed privacy, you could always add doors here. There's really nice detail in this house. That's the other thing that I like, because you've got the rounded archways, you've got the beautiful columns right there, and then you've got a very nice base. You've got lots of built-ins, and you have crown molding. So that speaks very highly of the level of construction that we have here. Like I mentioned, Indian Bayou is all custom homes, and you also have the bullnose on the corners, which is really nice. So then you got a little niche right there for artwork or paintings. And this takes us to the primary suite here. I love the double doors right here. It just feels very welcoming and gracious. Take a look at how big. I like how the windows are symmetrical, so you can put your bed there and it just looks so pretty and balanced. Let's take a quick look at this closet here. This is a 3-foot door. It's huge, good size primary bedroom closet, and it's also vented, which is really important to keep the humidity out in Florida. That's a huge closet. Come back around here to the bathroom. You have your toilet area there. There is no door in that space, probably because it's at an angle. If you like to have privacy, you can probably add a door there, the double vanity. These are 10-foot ceilings. So the house just feels huge. So you have the tub and shower, separate tub and shower. A little bit dated, but everything is in good working condition. Then you've got like a little sitting area right here, which is kind of nice. Maybe a little desk there, writing desk. And then you come back out to the main living area. And you can see there's the front door where we came in. I just love how nice and open this is, and those built-ins are just so pretty. The one thing I would do is probably in the recesses that I would add some lighting. Some backlighting is really, really pretty up in the ceiling with the molding like that. And you can see the pool out there. And this is a golf course lot in Indian Bayou. Let's go around to the kitchen. These are solid wood maple cabinets. You've got a gas stove there, double oven. And this is a very spacious kitchen. There's plenty of room in here. Nice refrigerator. Everything is in really good condition. This is granite. Let me show you the pantry here. This is a good sized pantry. Again, you've got the 3-foot door. So you got plenty of wire shelving in here. This could be organized any way that you want it. You've got the ceiling so high there. You got plenty of room. So let's swing around this way. The formal dining area, again, with the trade ceiling, is just so pretty. It's very, very elegant. Then you've got the laundry room. You got a little bit of shelving there. Then an accent shelf up there. You can put some plants, some decorations. You've got it's nice and clean. This is a very, very clean garage. A lot of times the garages take a beating over the years, but this is nice and clean. The ceilings, the popcorn's not falling off, so it's just been very well maintained with the paint. You've got like a little nook back here. You could probably add some more shelves. And then you've got this extra room here, an extra little storage room right here. Got a nice little window. This could be a private office or a study back here. And then this door just goes out to the backyard. So if you could also use it as an office if you wanted a private entry, if you were seeing people in your home, that could be an option for you. Now let's go back around to the bedrooms. And this is a split floor plan with the primary on one side and 2 bedrooms on the other side. So here's the hallway. You've got your 2 bedrooms right here, and you've got the bathroom right here. Double vanity, solid wood cabinets, super high ceilings. I keep saying that, but it just feels, the volume ceilings make a home feel so much bigger. And then you've got the shower. The one thing I would do, this window, I would change this into a door because it goes out to the pool. So people don't have to run through the house and get the flooring all wet to get to the bathroom to shower or go to the restroom. Here's the first bedroom. Let me show you the closet. Nice little plant shelf up there. Again, got some built-ins. So you got some neat storage there. And then the second bedroom is really about the same size. We'll take a quick look into the closet. Oops, there we go. And you can see, got plenty of room in there too. Just one wire shelf. You can probably do a lot more organizing in there to get a lot more stuff. All right, now let's circle back around. Let's go take a look at the outside. That is really the showpiece of this house. The natural light in here is just phenomenal. So the back area is really like a sunroom that is connected to the rest of the house. It's so pretty back here. Now let's check out the outside. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is a huge lot. It's over a ½ acre. You got a beautiful pavilion right there. I think there's a gas hookup because it is a gas stove. If not, you could always easily add that. If you like to grill outside, it is so peaceful. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's walk over here a little bit so you can see the side of the house. The pavilion is well constructed, it appears to be. They've got the straps on all of the trusses. Very nice. Never enough shade in Florida. And this is ample. This is a very big patio. It's huge. So you can put a lot of furniture out here. And let me show you the pool. You've got the little sun decks where you can put your chairs in the pool right there. This is a beautiful pool and a beautiful yard. So if you have it, it's fully fenced. So if you have kids and pets that you don't want running off, let me see, you got a little garden if you like to garden outside. Then you got the double gates right there. You can store your water toys there, but you can't put a boat back here because Indian Bayou does not want to see the top of your boat. So if you have a smaller boat, a little John boat, that would be okay because they just can't see it over the fence. Let's walk over here to the other side. Have the pool equipment, and you still have a really good sized side yard. Okay, so we'll come back around, take one last look, do a nice pan so you can see just how big the living area is. So if you like to entertain, this Indian Bayou home could fit the bill. Okay, everybody, that wraps it up for today's tour. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about this property or any homes that you see in Destin, or you want to explore other communities, go ahead and leave your comments down below and I'll be sure to answer your questions. And as always, if you're looking to buy or sell in Destin or the surrounding areas, again, my contact information is down below on the screen. You know who to contact. I hope you're having an awesome day, and I will see you in the next video.